Hola, me llamo que Sa.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you need for this awesome recipe is 1 cup of flour, 1/3 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/6 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of shortening, and lastly a cup of water. And then you mix it up.
Yeah.
So after kneading it to the consistency of play dough, put it in a bowl and cover it with a wet towel for about 10 to 20-ish minutes.
Fun fact for you, Cinco de Mayo isn't the actual Independence Day, it's just a day where they won a minor battle against the French.
Alright, after 5 to 10 minutes, you take off the cover from the dough and you need to put flour in your hands and just put the dough on the cooking board and then
After letting it sit again, take out a good sized chunk, about this big, and flatten it. And then you can throw it in the frying pan.
In 1519, Hernan Cortez conquered the Aztec Empire in central Mexico.
Did you know that quesadillas come from Mexico? But they're typically filled with Oaxaca cheese, cooked vegetables like potatoes with chorizo, and also different types of meat like chicharron or cooked pork like that. It also can also be added as a topping like guacamole. You have to shred the chicken so that it can go into the quesadilla. It's a fun fact. Mexico declared its independence from Spain on September 16, 1810. So you want to put some cheese in, making cheese quesadillas. Chicken and cheese so that people can have their choice. A nice sprinkle in there. And then you're going to turn it, fold it in half like a taco. And then you're going to make sure it gets nice and cooked. So the cheese melts a little bit, tortillas nice and crisp.
Alright, and here are our quesadillas when it's finished. Looks luscious, right? Here's another fun fact. In August 1940, Leon Trotsky was assassinated in Mexico by a Soviet assassin, Spanish assassin, but some believe that he was actually an agent of Stalin.
Now that the quesadillas are finished, it's cleanup time.